recording.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Carthage, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gainsborough around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pleasant Shade, Granville, and Whitleyville.
Pleasant Heat?
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Yo, mesocyclone. Yo, mesocyclone. What do you think? What's mesocyclone?
I don't know. What about it?
There's a mesocyclone near Alpha Far. Meso.